this video we're going to show you how to solder wires together. To solder wires together we'll use some soldering wire, some cutters, some sticky tape, a heat shrink tube and a 25-watt soldering iron. Now we've aired the wires, you can use cutters or wire strippers. Now we're going to twist the wires really tight. First job is to tin the wires. And just to keep the wire still, I'm using some tape. Don't blow on the joint because this can put moisture in the joint and make it dirty or a dry joint. To stop the wires touching, we're going to use some heat shrink. This tube's a special tube. When we heat it up it gets smaller. Now we're going to cut it into different lengths. It's very important to make sure to put these on first. Now I'm going to tin the soldering iron and put them both together to make a joint. I'm making sure this is a strong mechanical joint. Sometimes you need 3 hands to do this. Now I'm going to cover the heat shrink right over the joint. Now I'm going to use the soldering iron to shrink the tubing. This is insulating the joint and it is also waterproof. Now we're going to do the same on the other end of the wire.